All right, guys, here we go. This is the 2002 Fun Ship, Fun Fish, Four Winds, open bow deck boat, which is phenomenal. One thing you're going to notice inside here, it does have a ton of cup holders, ton of storage. You're going to see it has our compression test done on it, 8 cylinders. All the readings were really good on that. It is a 214, which is awesome. This does have the cushions actually that could fit across this and right here. So when you're in here, you're going to have a full U shape across, which is nice for traveling on the water. My other favorite feature in here is underneath this cushion, there's actually a spot for a cooler built in. That is just phenomenal. What a great functional idea. Another thing on this boat that makes it nice to ride in is you've got the seat bump right here that goes up. So when you want to sit above the windshield, look out, you can for the co-captain and the captain as well. It has that. You do also have up front here, looks like this one does hold 13 people or 1,800 pounds. It does have looks like it has the tilt steering here. Does have a remote control for the stereo. Looks like it has a depth finder, a trim. It looks like RPM, mile per hour, temperature, oil, fuel, and your battery voltage, as well as a cool little navigational thing. You do have a 12 volt for your cell phone to charge. Ignition. Over here it looks like another stereo thing you can work with. Some of the knobs. Looks like this knob's a little bit melted as well as this one, but we can definitely replace those. I think I can see how much those are. If not, the Marine Techs may do that just on purpose. Now, and here's where some of the goodies are. As we get in here, this is actually a table with the Four Winds logo on it, cover, and then this is what the table looks like. There are 2 table pole holders in here, so you can have a front one or the back. These cushions that you're seeing and the plastic boards are going to go in the front of the boat as well, so that way you can have the full open, which I'll show you in a minute. You have a CD player in here, fresh water tank. That fresh water button is going to handle the sink up here, which is really nice. As you can see, it's like a deck boat, a walkthrough edition up front here. This is where the board is going to go with that cushion to make that full thing all nice and covered. So you can lay up there, suntan, even sleep on the boat if you wanted. Have a little trash can built in, cup holders. Now this is the example of the carpet that snaps in the entire boat, as well as, again, the table pole holder that would go there as well. As you come up here, this cushion actually does come off. This will wipe off easily. You're going to find in here, again, these are stainless steel poles. They're not going to be plastic. This is your anchor, this is going to be your little cooler up front. And then this right here is going to be your anchor in there. So you guys want to go to the middle of the lake and hang out, you got that. You do have a sprayer here for your feet, which is great. Got arms to hold on to right here. Has the windshield. You got your wind gate right here, which is awesome. So let's say you have a dog, kids, anything like that, it's getting windy, you can just like shut this, just super awesome. And then the windshield just pops on over. Now your crew is windshielded, no one can go up front. Super nice there. Ouch, it's hot. Hot. Now, hot like this cool boat. Now, this does fold back in there, like I said. Four Winds is so good at like keeping things compact. This is going to be underneath the storage area, carpeted. You do have life jackets, looks like, in here. Wow, what's that? Looks like a little amp. That's pretty dang cool. So, wanted to show you this. It does have 2 speakers up front, and I believe there is 2 speakers back here. So, you got that. And then, as you go to the back over here, you are going to see the 5.7 Volvo Penta engine back here. I'll show you in a minute too. But there is a rip in the seat right here, and there is also a little bit of sun cracking right here, and then the back. Now this is upholstered. We could definitely see what a quote would be from our upholstery gal to fix that. That's cosmetic, not the construction of the boat. This is where you'd fill your water up for the sink up front. Now as we go to the back, look at the swim deck. It's huge, it's so cool. This is going to be a little cooler back here that's built into the swim deck. This is actually where your ladder would fold up, and this is where you would add on your little tube or your little thing for your people to hang on to. But you can just see your family hanging out here at the beach. You do have a stereo and a spray. And then right here, this is actually a dry storage. You can put like towels back here or whatever you want to do. think some of those cushions actually might be built in for this area back here. But this is awesome. And then again, the boat, super cool. It's got the Bimini built in up top, it's blue, and the lake's just right over there. So love to see it. This boat will not last long. We've got such a great layout on this thing. It's a 21.4 model. I believe it measures right about 24 feet, but it is such a nice walkthrough edition. The family's gonna have an awesome time. So give us a call here at Cowboys RV.